Dig into 5 delicious Bib Gourmand spots in Bangkok from the Michelin Guide Thailand 2025, featuring offal rich classics, southern Thai gems, seafood sensations, and beloved staples. Start your day with brain food, literally, at Thai Tham, a century-old spot known for offal. Its star dish, stewed pig's brain, prepared fresh every morning by 80-year-old owner Sujit Suranan. Don't forget the Chinese liver sausage for a smart start to your day. Krua Apsorn in Dusit has long been a local favorite, famous for treasured family recipes. Try the tender stir-fried pork with bird's eye chili, rich in herbal aroma, or the signature yellow curry with plum prawns and crispy lotus root. Bold, bright, and beautifully balanced. Craving southern Thai flavors in Bangkok? For over 20 years, Auntie Bell of Janhom in Ramkhamhaeng has been dishing out bold, soulful, and southern Thai staples. Her homemade curry paste shines in the fiery gang tai pla and stir-fried stinky beans with shrimp. And don't forget the turmeric fried frog and cool off with chilled watermelon after. Seafood lovers head to Lucky Seafood, a small eatery in Talingshan that serves fresh seafood with Thai flavors. Try the stir-fried crab with bird's eye chili or the non-spicy stir-fried squid with curry powder. Although the famous Jo in Ban That Thong is best known for her mama noodles tom yum, but our inspectors recommend exploring beyond. Go for the flavorful fried tofu with crispy garlic and chilies, or her signature crispy pork, both beloved Thai favorites done right. Since the queue is always long, we recommend arriving just before opening or close to its closing time. So, which one is your topic? Let us know in the comments below.